19 civilians convicted by military courts in Pakistan for their involvement in the May 9th protests have had their sentences remitted. The Pakistan military's media wing, the Inter-Service Public Relations, made the announcement on Thursday, framing the decision as a balance between justice and compassion. Of the 67 individuals who appealed their sentences, 48 petitions were forwarded to appellate courts for review. 19 sentences were remitted on humanitarian grounds. Among those acquitted are Mohammed Ayaz, Laik Ahmed, Hamza Sharif, and others. Their release will follow procedural formalities. The ISPR emphasized that convicts retain their right to appeal under Pakistan's legal framework. This remission, they stated, reflects efforts to uphold justice while adhering to principles of mercy. This isn't the first instance of such clemencies. 20 others were released on humanitarian grounds in April of 2024. On the 9th of May 2023, supporters of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf staged violent protests across the country, following the brief arrest of party founder Imran Khan. Military installations and state-owned buildings were vandalized, with protesters also targeting the Lahore Corps commander's residence. In the aftermath, thousands of protesters, including party leaders, were arrested. The government later identified 105 civilians to be tried under the Army Act, providing a list of their names to the Supreme Court. While a 5-member Supreme Court bench declared the military trials null and void in October of 2023, the ruling was conditionally suspended by another bench pending a final judgment. Earlier this month, a 7-member constitutional bench conditionally allowed military courts to pronounce verdicts for 85 civilians. The sentencing of civilians by military courts has drawn widespread criticism. PTI condemned the trials while the US and the UK, along with the European Union, expressed concerns, citing violations of international laws. Lawyers also questioned the legitimacy of trials and the high conviction rate.